Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit a student's appearance without any Unity3D. Watch this video carefully and make sure you copy the commands correctly. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. I will use 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 for this video, but you can choose any other student. To find other students' names and IDs, you have two options. You can either go to your yanderesimulator folder, to streaming assets, to the JSON folder, and open the student's text document where all the names and IDs are, or you can just open your PoseMod menu and go to Edit Character, select a character, and scroll up or down until you find your student's name and ID. Now let's get started. Open your yanderesimulator folder, go to the Data folder, then to Streaming Assets folder, and then go to the Portraits folder and choose your student. As I said, I will use 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 and her ID is 4. Now go to the PoseMod folder and to Cutscenes and create a text document. Now open the text document I will leave in the description and pinned comment. Copy the first two commands. Paste them here. For the ID, put 4 and for the name, 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷. Select this, hold Ctrl and press F, press on the arrow, and on the second line type student 4 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 and press replace all. Save it. Now copy this. Paste it in your document and do the same thing again with the ID and name. Copy this command to make her bald so the new hair doesn't clip with the student's hair. Add the ID and name. I will test how it looks so far. But before, I will delete the extra space here. It has to be only one. Make sure you don't make this mistake. Save it again. Open the game with PoseMod for it to work. Activate debug, press / and type R for pose mode. Reposition her so you can see her better. Stop her animation. And load the document now. And it works. These are the hair commands. Copy the debug one. Paste it in your command. In this command, the only thing you will change is the ID and name. Don't change the 0 because that will make her bald so the hairs don't clip. For the ref name, search yansim hair ref names on Google and click on this link. Scroll down and click on the Yandere-chan's hairstyles category and choose one. This is the one I want. Copy the ref name. Paste it here. And save the document. Load the document in-game. And this is how the debug hair looks. To bring the head back, delete this. Do this only if you want to change the face texture on the student's original face. If you keep that command, the head will disappear and the texture won't work unless you have a Unity3D face and retexture that. If you don't want a debug hair, you can try this command for a student's hair. Copy and paste it in your document. Put the ID and name. For the ref name, go back to the website and go to UNITY3D female hairstyles. Choose one. I will choose this one. Copy the ref name. Paste it in your commands. Save the document. Restart the day if you loaded the debug hair before the new one. Load the document again. And this is the result. For a hair from the 80s, copy the ref name for one and paste it in your command. Restart again, and load the document. And this is the result. To retexture the debug hair, type this command. Copy the ref name of your debug hair and paste it where it says ref name. Save the texture on your PC. Open it in Photopea. Add a hue layer. Enable colorize and play with the sliders. When you are satisfied, export it. Name it however you want and copy the name. Paste it in your command. And now save it and make sure you put it in the Streaming Assets folder. Save the document too. And it should look like this. Now to retexture the 20s hair texture, I will put on a hair from a student in the 20s mode. And this is the command. Where it says texture 012, put the ref name again. And for the open texture, download and edit the texture again. After you finish, restart the day. But you will see that the texture won't change. And that is because another student is wearing that hair and will also have that texture. To fix that, we will have to duplicate the hair so we are both wearing the hair. And I am pretty sure you will have to do this in the 80s mode too if the hair is from a student in the 80s mode. The command is in the text document in the description. Put the ref name where it says ref name. And the player hair is the new asset name, so put it where it says new asset name. In the text document, it already says player hair. And because this command is to duplicate a hair on a Yano, to duplicate it on a student, you will have to replace the 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 hair with 𝓸𝓹stud hair, like this. Put the new name where it says asset name and then change the ID and name. When you finished, delete the 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 hair. Copy the texture name from the old command and put it in the duplicating one. And now you can delete the old command. Save the document. Restart the day. And now it worked. This command only works with hairs though. Now I will put on a hair from the 80s mode. Copy the command for the hair. Paste it in your text document. Put the ref name ID and name in. And the texturing command is the same. Download the texture and do the same process again. This is the command. Save the text document. Pause to make sure it's correct. Restart the day. And this is the result. This is the command to retexture the face and body. Put the ID and name in. And now for the textures. For the body, I will use this one. Copy the name and paste it in the command. Do the same for the face. Save it. Also, another thing you will have to do for it to show is to delete the first 2 commands that make the body and head disappear. And save it again. Restart the day. And it will look like this. This is the command to change the walk and idle without a UNITY3D. Of course, put the ID and name. And now we will choose the animations. But you can delete the run one because you won't really see the student run. On the wiki, choose an idle that you like and a walk. I chose these 2. Restart the day. Hold E and release her. The animations worked. If you want 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 old socks, type this command. And instead of yanderesimulator, type student ID and the full name to attach the accessory to the student instead of ayano. Just like this. Restart the day. This is the result. Please don't mind the accessories that I will try. This is just an example so you can understand how the command works. In this entire tutorial, I tried showing you how the commands work and how to use them, and I was not trying to make the OC look good. Now to get other accessories, use this command. Put the ID and name in. For the ref name, copy the ref name and paste it in the command. Save it. Restart the day. This is how it will look. I will try more accessories. If you will do what I just did, putting more accessories with that command, what you will have to do is use a different command for every accessory, and also, if needed, restart the day. Just like this. If you will want to use any accessories from this video, all you gotta do is change the yanderesimulator in the attacher command into student ID and name just like we did with 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷's old socks. As an example, I will use the waist hoodie. Please ignore the other accessories I tried off camera. I will copy the command. Paste it in your command, and instead yanderesimulator, put student 4 𝓸𝓹𝓮𝓷 like I said. And for the texture, copy the texture name, paste it in the command and save it. And this will be the result. This is all you have to do to edit a student's appearance without using any UNITY3D. I really hope this video was easy enough to understand, and I was able to help you today. If I helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And comment down below if this worked for you. Join my Discord server if you have any issues. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.